Hi guys, welcome to Saudi Foodie Vlog. Today we are making Eid special rice pudding kheer. No kova. Easy and yummy in taste. In a pressure cooker, soaked rice 1 cup, soak for 2 hours. Cooking cream 1 cup. Milk 1 cup. Full fat milk. Water 1 cup. Milk powder half cup. Mix everything. Pressure cook for 3 whistles on medium heat. Mix nicely. Now add sugar 1 cup. Vanilla essence 1 tablespoon. Mix everything, cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. Now it's ready to serve. Refrigerate for 2 hours before serving. Almonds on top. Yummy, easy recipe. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.